Hi, how
Hi,
are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I am great. Thank you for asking. What's your name?
My name is Sophie. What's your name?
My name is Sahiba. It's nice
Say.
to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from India.
India. Nice. I'm from
Yes.
England.
Wow. Very nice.
Right. Yeah, it's actually really, really hot today. Like the
Oh,
weather is so hot. I'm sure it's hotter in India though.
yes, yes, yes.
What temperature is it today? Do you know?
Today 27 degree.
Oh, it's the same here.
Yes.
27.
Oh,
It's so, it's so hot. I know it's not usual for England. It's normally very cold, even
yes.
in the summer. Even in the summer, it's
Okay.
really cold. So yeah, it's a bit of a surprise to have this heat wave.
Yes,
But
yes.
yeah. So
So,
tell me a little bit about yourself. Do you want to introduce yourself?
uh, my name is Sahiba and I am from India. Right now, I am living in north of India,
Okay,
in Jammu and Kashmir.
lovely.
So yes, I am in 12th grade right now, and
Okay,
I'm 17 years
lovely.
old. Yes, my hobbies are uh, reading books,
Sure.
hiking, and cooking.
Oh, nice. You like cooking? What do you cook? What do you like to
Yes,
cook?
I like biryani,
Oh, great.
vegetables, rice,
Mhm.
all things.
Nice. That's great. Good. And what kind of books do you read?
Books, uh,
Like what
all
genre?
books.
All of them.
Yes, all of
Like
them.
fiction, non-fiction. So like
Yeah.
real, like facts, not,
Yes,
novel
yes.
stories.
Yes, stories. And I like religious book.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Amazing. Sounds great. Me too. I love reading too. I love books. That's probably one of my hobbies. I really like reading. I also like hiking.
Oh,
I like dancing. I like
wow.
I like music too. I like music a lot. That's probably my main hobby.
You listen
Yeah, I
music.
listen. I can't sing. I wish I could sing, but I
Okay.
mostly listen to music. I really, really enjoy listening to music.
Okay.
What about you? Do you like
Yes. Sometime I listen some songs,
Mhm.
some Indian songs, and
Sure.
some uh Pakistani songs,
Nice.
and
English?
some English songs. Yes.
Good. Great, that's great. That will really help you,
Yeah.
learn English, I think. It's the same for me. I'm trying to learn Spanish, so I listen to Spanish music to try and
Okay.
understand, try and hear it more.
You can sing?
I can't sing. I mean, I can sing, not very well. What about you? Do you sing?
No.
No, not at all. No, it's not good. I can't really sing.
So, what do you want to be in your life?
Sure.
What's
So,
your dream?
oh, my dream. That's a good question. My dream in life. I think, I mean, I've just started to teach. So I've just started my teaching career. So my dream is to travel. I want to go
Travel.
and travel all over the world to
Wow.
as many different countries as I can. Um, so yeah, but obviously with the pandemic, I can't
Yes.
travel as much as I would like to.
Yeah.
But yes, I think my dream is to travel. What about you? What's your dream in life?
My dream traveling,
Traveling?
and I want to become an Islamic scholar in my life.
Oh,
It's my
amazing.
biggest dream.
Of
And
course.
and I want to be a rich man.
Of course, yes, me too.
Yeah.
I think we all do.
Everyone want to become rich man.
Definitely, definitely, me
Yes,
too, me too. No, I
money
think
is
so.
very important for everyone.
Oh, definitely.
Yes.
Yes, I think so. I think money is very important in this world.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I wish it wasn't, but it is very important, especially if you want to travel. You need a lot of
Yes,
money.
yes, yes. Yeah.
So, Sahiba, why do you want to practice your English, or what do you want to practice it for? Is it just fluency, or do you have a specific exam or
Hmm.
thing you want to practice for?
Actually, I am very interested in English language,
Hmm.
so it's my dream. Learning English, it's my
Okay.
dream, and I want to become an Islamic scholar. I want to complete my study from America.
Okay. Oh, amazing.
Yes. So
At
yes, yes,
university?
our university. Yes.
Do you have a specific university in mind? Are you applying
No, no.
already? No?
Uh, I don't know about the university name.
Okay.
Yes, just right now I am searching in America and other countries.
Sure.
Yes.
Amazing.
So
That's great.
yes. So that's why I am learning English. Right now I am learning English.
Of course. And what other English classes do you take right now? Is it just in school, or do you do other English classes
No, no,
outside of school?
I take um English classes only Cambly.
Okay. Oh,
Yes,
just on Cambly?
just on Cambly.
Amazing.
Yes, just I am thinking.
No, yeah, you're all good. Take your time.
Yes, yes. So I one moment.
You're fine. Don't worry.
I
Don't worry.
learned
Take your time.
I learned a lot of things from the Cambly teachers.
Oh, good. That is really good.
Yes, yes. I learned
Amazing.
grammar, grammar,
Mhm.
and
Grammar is hard.
yes, yes, and like a model,
Hmm.
article,
Yeah.
tenses. Yes,
Hmm. Amazing. That sounds great.
yeah,
So, but do you want to, as well as grammar, practice conversation, like maybe like role plays with like potential, so like conversations that you
conversation.
might have with a native English speaker, say
Yes, yeah,
In America. So, would you like to practice that more?
yeah,
Like just conversations with
yes,
different
yes,
topics?
yeah. Actually, I'm very interested in culture.
Okay, culture,
Yes,
amazing. And me too.
yes,
I would love to learn all about your culture, and then I can
yes,
teach
yes.
you about my culture. And so we can swap
Yes,
cultures on that.
yes,
I think that's probably the best part of
yeah,
Cambly. I think so.
yes. I met a lot of teachers.
You have all
Yes,
from across the globe.
yes,
Amazing. That is good because also you get to practice listening to accents, and
yes,
accents are
yes,
very hard.
yeah.
What's the easiest accent do you think to understand?
Right now, I am practicing on the American accent.
American. Okay.
Yes,
What do you think about British
British.
accents? Are they
Yes, yes.
easier or harder?
Not
The
hard,
same?
not hard.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah,
That's good. Yeah,
both
definitely.
easy. Both
Okay,
are
good.
easy. Yes.
Great. That is very good. I mean, your English is very good already.
Thank you.
It is very good. Compared to some other students I've taught, your English is very good, and you seem to understand very well too.
Yes,
So
yes.
I think it would be good to just have different conversations in the future if you would
Yeah.
like.
Yes, yes. Right.
Great,
Sure.
that sounds great because we
Yeah.
only have 20 seconds left. So
Yes.
I would love to chat to you again, Sahiba, if you are interested, and we can have loads of conversations.
Yeah. I'm
Excellent.
so glad to meet you.
Yeah, me too. It was so nice to meet you, and I hope you have a good day or evening.
Yes.
See you later. Bye.
Okay, bye bye.